kind of button is it? I think that's Payne. Whoa. Wait, this is super cool. This is oh, whoa. Hey, you gotta push the bumper because it's a bumper.
Got it. This is an interesting interior.
I like it.
Fake brick.
Whoa! Whoa! What the what is that?
Who knows? See if the indicator works.
This thing is cool. This thing is actually really cool.
This is an interesting violation of fire safety code.
No kidding. I want to see if there's a.
Up, down, button.
On two, yeah. Oh, it barely works. It just barely lights up.
Well, 3 does.
Yeah, 2 doesn't.
Also nothing. But there is enough down there. It puts in real live calls.
Strange. Dude, this is such
It'll recall. Let's not touch anything because it's gonna recall.
Yeah, it's gonna recall it anyway.
I said not to touch anything.
Oh, my bad. I wasn't thinking about what you said. I thought you meant like, I don't even know.
Because it was gonna recall. So
Yeah, you're right. You're
yeah,
right.
we might
I
as
forgot.
well just
It's all right.
off. It's
We have all day,
do
so.
2 rides.
That was weird. Did you see that? It like the door opened for a second and then it leveled back up and then it fully want to just go back up.
Probably don't really need to, but I'll just end the video and you can keep going. That's it.
I guess the calls didn't go through. Okay. This is a really cool elevator though. Let's get a look at this panel.
Some interesting fixtures.
What the fuck is that logo? This is, yeah, oh, the one lights up. Again, just barely. But it does. It's like super dim. All right, anyway.
The interesting thing is the entrance of this place makes it seem like it's